Let's get your pie irons out and let's make some dessert. Alright, today I'm doing another episode of the Campfire Cooking Collaboration. This is just like before when we were doing them. I'm doing a pie iron again, and I'm going to make a dessert this time. Just like last time, there's 7 of us participating. We've got Kevin from Southwest Ohio Adventures, Justin from It's Good in the Woods, Brandy from Time Out to the Trail, Kevin from Knights of the Trail, Missy and Tony from Our World Outdoors, Hawkeye from Hawkeye Hikes, and myself, Jason Outdoors. Alright, for my dessert, I'm going to make an apple pie in the pie iron. What this is going to consist of is I'm going to take some cinnamon bread and some apple pie filling. Alright, so now we got everything prepped. Let me throw the pie iron on the coals to get it warmed up, and then we're going to put this thing together. That's all done. Let me bring this in close for you and take a look at that. That side turned out pretty good. This side got a little bit darker than the rest, but depending on what size pie iron you use will depend on, like mine's a little bit on the large side for this, and depending on your bread size, it'll actually pinch it off and completely seal it. So mine's more like an apple sandwich, but it's still going to be an apple pie. So let's taste test it and see how it turned out. That was really good. I think what really sets this apart is using the cinnamon bread. You could probably lightly butter this, maybe sprinkle a little sugar on there would make it a little bit better, but otherwise I think this is a really good recipe. Maybe a look inside there. So that's something quick and easy you can do around the campfire. All you gotta do is bring a can of apple pie filling and a loaf of bread. This will work with regular white bread too. Like I said, I think the cinnamon bread really sets it apart. You can really do this with any type of pie filling that you'd like. Definitely good, definitely worth it. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this with me. Make sure you check everyone else's video out too. I'm going to link down below all their channels, so you can go ahead, click on their page, and then you can go check out their videos as well. I know they all put in time and effort, and would definitely appreciate you watching their videos too. So go ahead and like and subscribe, leave a comment down below if you'd like, and as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.